To you all aspirant and talented students in Kana Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board concerning NCERT pattern. Now in the continuation of previous videos of the same exercise, that is 10.3, I am going to find out under question 4 the projection of a vector A on B. The projection of factor A on B, here it is given vector A is equal to I plus 3j plus 7k, while vector B is 7I minus j plus 8k. Now the projection of this vector A on B, hence the projection of vector A on B is equal to dot product of vector AB upon mod of vector B. Dot product of vector AB upon mod of vector B. Now the dot product of vector AB is I plus 3j plus 7k dot vector B means 7I minus j plus 8k upon mod of vector B 7I minus j plus 8k. For dot product, I have already declared you for finding the dot product of two vector, you will calculate the coefficient of II, Jj and Kk. I 1 into 7 means 1 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 7 into 8 and mod of this vector will be equal to under root 7 square plus minus 1 square plus 8 square. Here 1 to 7 means 7 minus 3 plus 7 into 8 56. 56 plus 7 is equal to 63 minus 3 and upon 7 square means 49 and this is plus 1 and plus 64. 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14. 1 plus 4 5 plus 6 11 and this is 63 minus 3 will be 60 upon under root 114. This is the projection of A on B. This is the requisite answer of the question. In the question number 5, we have given three vector A is equal to 1 by 7, 2I plus 3j plus 6k. Another vector B is equal to 1 by 7, 3I minus 6j plus 2k, and the third vector C is 1 by 7, 6I plus 2j minus 3k. In this question we have to prove two pattern of the answer. First answer is vector A, B and C are unit vector. You may say the magnitude of each vector A, B, C or mod A, mod B, mod C will be 1, that is unit. And secondly, we have to prove that all the three vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. It means dot product of AB is equal to 0, dot product of BC is equal to 0, and the dot product of CA is equal to 0. First, for the answer of second, we will have to find out the magnitude of each vector, that is mod of A will be equal to, mod of A will be equal to 1 by 7 and under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, and that is 1 by 7, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, and this is 36. After all, 1 by 7, 4 plus 36, 40, plus 9, 49, under root 49, 49, under root means 7 by 7, you have 1. Here, you will clearly see that vector A have the magnitude only 1, or this is the unit vector. Similarly, vector B is equal to 1 by 7, 1 by 7 under root 3 square minus 6 square plus 2 square, that's equal to 1 by 7 under root 3 square means 9 minus 6 square means plus 36, and this is 4. 40 plus 9, 49, under 49 means 1 by 7, 49 means 1 by 7 into 7, this also is equal to 1. Similarly, vector C is equal to 1 by 7 under root 6 square plus 2 square plus minus 3 square is equal to 1 by 7, 36, 2 2 4, and 3 3 9. It means 1 by 7 under root 49, 1 by 7 into 7 is equal to 1. Clearly, we observe here that mod of vector A, B, C, or every three vector are a unit vector, or unit vector means the magnitude of all the vectors A, B, C, mod of A, mod of B, and mod of C are 1. The part first is hold good, and now we have to find out all the three vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, means dot product of AB should be equal to 0. Dot product of AB should be equal to 0. Now the second part, dot product of AB. Dot product of AB means 2, 3, here 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. Dot product of AB means 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, 2 is to 3, 2 into 3, plus 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6, plus 6 into 2, plus 6 into 2. Will be equal to 1 upon 49 6, this is 3 minus 6 minus 18 plus 12. It means 1 upon 49, 6 plus, this is 12. 6 plus 12, 18 minus 18, 0. 6 plus 12, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. 0. 1 upon 49 is equal to 0. It means A is perpendicular to B. A is perpendicular to B. Now, due to lack of space, we want to rub some upper portion of the question. Now, BC, dot product of BC, BSC is equal to 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. Within the bracket, 3 into 6, 3 into 6 plus minus 6 into 2, minus 6 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3. This is 1 upon 49, 3 6 is 18, here minus 12, here minus 6, 1 upon 49, 18 minus 18, this is 1 upon 49, 0 means 0. Hence dot product of BC is also is equal to 0. Now the dot product of CA 1 by 49, 2 into 6 plus 3 into 2 plus 6 into minus 3, 9, 2 6 are 12 and 3 2 are 6 plus 6 minus 3 are minus 18, and this is 1 upon 49, 12 plus 6, 18 minus 18, 1 upon 49, 0 means 0. 0 means 0. Or this is or C is perpendicular to A. C is perpendicular to A. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.